Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about what is cron syntax and its definition, use cases, and more examples for cron job we can say, expression or cron syntax we can say. Now, first of all, what is cron? Cron is a time-based job scheduler in Unix like operating systems used to automate the tasks such as system maintenance, backups, and any application scheduling is there. It allows users to schedule the commands or scripts to run automatically at specific intervals as well as specific times. Okay, that is nothing but cron. I will come up with examples and use cases. By that you will get to understand what exactly and where exactly it will be used. Now, let us have a discussion about what is cron syntax definition. Cron expression is string comprising 5 time fields. Remember this, all are time fields. The time fields are: one was minutes, second was hours, third was days, fourth was months, and fifth was weekday. If you add sixth also, it will be considered as seconds. Okay, I mean first one will be considered as second, second one will be minutes, third will be hours, like that it will come. Generally it will be 5 string character. Okay, now here you can see this is the like general syntax for cron job that comprises of these particular stars. First one was, as I said, minutes. Minutes will be from 0 to 59 minutes. In watch also we can see from 0 to 59. We don't see 60th minute, we see instead of that 0. Okay, and hours will be from 0 to 23, and day of month will be from 1 to 31, and months are 1 to 12. 1 indicates January, 12 indicates December, and day of the week 0 to 6. 0 indicates Sunday, and 1 indicates Monday till Saturday 6. Okay, and if we go down, these are the examples like how we need to indicate a cron expression. Let's say if you wanted to run a job, let's say first of all let we go through this particular example, and finally let's see at what time this particular job will run. First one indicates seconds, 30 seconds. Second one indicates days, 2 at hours, that is at 2 p.m. First one indicates minutes, second one indicates hours at 2 a.m., and third one indicates a star in the sense any day of the month, and fourth also star, that means any month, and fifth indicates one in the sense Monday. Now, like, what may be the question for this? They need to run a job at every Monday at 2:30. Okay, this will be the question. Likewise, if you, I mean, you can easily remember this particular cron syntax by remembering one of this sentence. The sentence was this one. Here is the sentence: my home door might work. M indicates minutes, H indicates hours, D indicates date of the month, M indicates month, and W indicates day of the week. And if we see the common use cases, these are the widely used cases for the cron syntax, cron job, or cron expression. The first one was system maintenance task. Let's say if you wanted to clear any temporary files or any rotating logs need to be cleared automatically or any specific time, we need to use the cron syntax in that particular code. Automate the backups. Let's say any database dumps is there, any server backup scripts is there. In that particular script, you need to include the cron syntax to automate automatically. I mean to automate the particular database. Monitoring and alerting. Let's say if you wanted to send a email alerts based on the system metrics whatever you have, in that particular information with the cron syntax, it will automatically send whenever a email receives, whenever at, let's say, particular time frame, or at, let's say, at frequent intervals, for every 10 minutes or every day morning 9 o'clock, or every month, first day of the every month, like that. And data synchronization. Let's say syncing files between servers. Let's say one server received one file, and in that case you need to sync that same file into the another server at the same time. In that case also, this particular cron syntax will be used. Scheduling, reporting. Scheduled reporting. Let's say generating and emailing reports need to be done. uh, Web scraping, especially for DevOps engineers, there is a pipelines need to be there. Let's say that particular pipeline need to be triggered at particular time, let's say 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. in the afternoon. That particular, based on the cron syntax, they can trigger a particular pipeline. In both Jenkins as well as the GitLab, these particular cron jobs are used. In Jenkins, while you are using a cron job, that syntax, that particular pipeline will trigger whenever there is a code change in that particular time frame. Let's say every 5 minutes you set the cron job need to be triggered for every 5 minutes. Let's say within that 5 minutes there is no any new commit in the particular code, then in Jenkins the trigger won't be done, but in GitLab CI it will be done. And in Azure I am not sure, I need to explore that as well. And Circle CI, Traverse CI, I haven't explored that. And these are the some special characters in cron syntax. The characters are, first one, a star, which indicates any value. uh, it's like kind of wild card. And let's say comma indicates specific values. Let's say uh, fifth minute and 10th minute, you need to run a job on every Monday, like that. The expression is there means, question is there means, in the expression you need to keep 5 comma 10 in the minute space. Okay. Likewise, these are the ranges, like this hyphen indicates the range, 10 to 12, that was the range. And this particular thing, a slash indicates step values in the sense, let's say every 10 minutes, for every 10 minutes in a hour, you need to check that particular, you need to make sure that particular cron job need to be triggered. In that case, we are going to use this particular slash. And likewise, these are the examples of cron jobs. Let's say if you wanted to run every minute in the sense, that is first place now. So they clearly specified every minute. Star indicates every. Okay. If they something they haven't specified, that indicates every. Okay. So in this case, only 5 stars will come. And second example was every 5 minutes. Here you can see every indicates each and every 5 minutes in a hour they need to check. In that case, we need to use forward slash to uh, what we call step values for getting a step value. And every hour at minute 0, Here you can understand clearly, they haven't specified any week of the month or any month or any particular day of the month. In that case, blindly keep star, that means every, and every hour they clearly specified, that means you need to keep star, and at 0 minutes they clearly specified, in that case minute space you need to keep 0. Okay, and every day at midnight, understand this clearly, every day, every day at midnight only hours and minutes we need to consider. Why? Because they haven't touched about the week of the day, they haven't touched about the fourth star, that is a month of the year, and haven't touched about the third star, that is like days in a month. Okay, they touched only every day, day and midnight means time, that means hours and minutes. Midnight in the sense completely 0 and 0. Okay, and coming to the next example, this is every Sunday at 3 a.m. Every Sunday at 3 a.m. So clearly understand this. Every indicates every Sunday. That means you need to run on Sunday only.